Guys, how's it going? Yeah, we're here again talking about digital currency, Bitcoin. Market's a little bit shaky this week. We've seen that happen a lot, but things happen. What does it mean? It means time to buy. That's what it means. It's time to buy, time to get involved and put more money in, get it for a lower price. Buy low, sell high. We're going to be talking about a lot of digital currencies out there that a lot of people are not looking at, which we have done in the past. If you check out my videos from the past, but right now we're focusing on how to work Coinbase and how Coinbase works. So that's what we're going to be doing right now, and let's check it out right now and see what's going on. Oh shoot, let's turn that off. So basically check out my videos right here. This one I basically did yesterday. Click on it, subscribe, hit the like button. This one we were talking about when is the best time to invest in crypto. Subscribe, Coinbase. Download this right here for the app, and the Cash App is right here. Check it out. For all those who are potential clients, check that out also. Also, Cash App me, $PAPAKRISTOS. And now we're going to be talking about what is the best time to invest in crypto. So how do you get here? Basically, let me show you how to get in here. Start from the beginning. So once you click on that Coinbase link that I just showed you right here on the video, hold on, what happened here? Once you click on that, on this Coinbase app right here, then you'll come to this page right here. So what you're going to do is fill it out: first name, last name, email, create account, and then you're going to go to tips and tutorial. And when you do the tips and tutorial, you'll go to here. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So let's listen up and see what they got to say.
How to send crypto. Did you know that you can send crypto to friends and family, or even use it to pay for goods and services? Sending crypto is easy and affordable once you get the hang of it. And since crypto is digital and doesn't have any physical borders the way dollars, pesos, or euros do, you can send crypto internationally as easily as sending it to someone sitting next to you. To send crypto, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. The wallet address is a long string of characters that identifies where the crypto should go. Since wallet addresses are long, they're often shown as a QR code that you can scan in your crypto app. Each type of crypto has its own address, so make sure you're only sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address and Ethereum to an Ethereum address. Once you have the address, open your crypto wallet. Then enter the address by scanning a QR code or copying and pasting it in, and select the amount you want to send. There's usually a small fee called a gas fee, but it's often much lower than other methods like wire transfers. Once your transaction is verified and confirmed, the crypto will show up in the recipient's account. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. If you're a Coinbase customer, you can also send crypto to any email address in 100 plus countries instantly and for free. Just open your Coinbase app, select the crypto and an amount, enter the recipient's email address, and hit send. Sending crypto is affordable and easy, whether your funds are traveling from across the room or around the world.
So we see that just enter the email address. And they will receive it in minutes. Okay, this technology is so advanced. I mean, why would you not go to digital currency? Why would somebody wait 10 days or 3 days or a month to receive money overseas. Okay, you receive at the same time. So that's what it's all about right there, how to send crypto. And also it says right here, you can read it too. Each type of crypto has its own address, so make sure you're sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address and Ethereum to Ethereum address. If you're a Coinbase customer, you don't have to do that. You can send the crypto to any email address in 100 countries instantly and for free. So sending crypto is easy and affordable, whether your funds are traveling from across the room or across the world. And that's what makes digital currency the best when it comes to money transferring. I would ask people to pay me in crypto, but they're new to the game, and that's another video lesson that we have to do. So check it out. That's how to send crypto. And if you want to learn more, you could Google it, YouTube it, on the app Coinbase. Hit the get started, fill out the info, and then go from there. So right now, let's see what Apple and Tesla are doing.
Leverage positions or dilutive acquisitions in order to please Wall Street. And Wall Street's not the evil enemy. The problem is the cost of capital is 20% or 15%. So you're either going to pursue a strategy of dilutive acquisitions or a strategy of excessive leverage, or your third strategy is Apple could borrow $25 billion at 1% or 3% interest, buy Bitcoin that yields 200% interest. And what would you say to Tim Cook? You would say, Tim, if you can buy a $100 billion company that's growing 100% a year and is profitable, you should do that.
Right.
What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is 100 billion, you can buy $100 billion worth of Bitcoin or 10 or 20 or 30 billion worth of Bitcoin. It's growing 600% this year, but 200% a year on average. So my message to any company, whether it's Microsoft or Amazon or Apple or Tesla, is why don't you take the asset that you can get a lot of? You can go borrow $20 billion worth of capital at 3% interest. And why don't you go do an accretive acquisition? And an accretive acquisition is something growing 100 or 200% a year. By the way, what's better, for Apple to buy Disney or for Apple to buy Bitcoin? Because if you buy Disney, you're buying 100 million moving parts and a lot of complexity and a lot of risk and a lot of competition. If you buy Bitcoin, your treasurer just had to go buy Bitcoin. There is no competition. There is no employee base, right? There is no, the moving parts have all been worked out for a decade. They're not changing. So it's a much better balance sheet idea than what's being laid on the table for most CFOs or most CEOs right now.
So I'm going to ask this question. There's a question here, and I think you're going to follow me. There's a great movie, Jaws. There's a scene when the mayor, they're at the beach, and he's talking to Brody, and he says, if you yell barracuda on the beach, people look around, not a big deal. If you yell shark, and you have a panic on the 4th of July. Now, here's my question. MicroStrategies, in some ways, was the barracuda. You went down this path, and people looked at it, but it didn't create a panic or a stir. If Apple were to do exactly what you did at MicroStrategies, would that be the panic on the 4th of July? Would every single bell and whistle go off at every level of government and in every boardroom? And so with that said, do you think they're sort of inhibited? Do you think they're reticent to do it based on that premise alone?
When I tweeted at Elon Musk, I said something, and I really meant exactly what I said, right? And most people took it tongue-in-cheek, but I was very serious about it. I said, you want to do your shareholders a $100 billion favor, convert your $20 billion balance sheet from cash to Bitcoin, and then all the S&P 500 companies will have to follow you and it will become $1 trillion favor to your shareholders.
Yeah, go watch the video Apple and Tesla to buy 100 billion in Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, Bitcoin price prediction. It's already going up. It went from 60,000, now it's at 50 something thousand. I know a lot of us, we can't afford that maybe, but we can work on the future. And that's working on the digital currencies that are out there that are going to grow. They got to grow because digital currency is running out, Bitcoin. So now people are going to start buying into the other digital currency like Ethereum, Beyond's coin. Okay, not approved by the SEC, so we have to wait on that. Litecoin, Chainlink, USD Coin, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar Lumis, Wrapped Bitcoin, okay, and Ava and so forth, Cosmo, EOS. Basically, if you're buying 2 or 3 at $4 EOS, you're not gonna make anything. You need to buy basically like 10, 20, 50 of it, but we could start off small and work our way up. It's never too late to start, and that's the point. You got to start now. Don't try to buy it when it's $500 a share. Don't try to get into it when it's $2,000. Don't be chasing it like Bitcoin. A lot of people are chasing Bitcoin, but the good stuff about digital currency is that you don't need 50,000. Okay, you don't need 1,640. You could put 800 to. What I say, I'd let you know when I do a consultation with you, is basically put. I could tell you the amount you need to put in to make it flip, and it's not much. Okay, so and target in and get in digital currencies which are low right now is the key, because if you're doing day trading, you're doing the same stuff. You're purchasing them. We went after Polygon and purchased that and bought a lot of it. I think we got it. We got Polygon. I think we got Polygon when it was 66 cents. Yeah. We got Polygon when it was like something cents. And then now it's at what was it showing right here? It showed $1 something. That's weird. Okay. Oh, sure. What was I reading? I was wondering. Yeah, we got Polygon at 30 something, so it's going up. It went 4.57%. But that's what we want to do. We want to capitalize on the small ones. Put our little earned money in there, like $20, $50, so that when it multiplies, we could reap the benefit. And in the future, 2024, 2025, we'll see a lot of growth in that. And make sure you're purchasing the digital currencies that are tradable. Remember, always go to tradable. It's right here, tradable, because those are the ones that are regulated by SEC, approved by Coinbase, and are insured by 250,000 in case something happened. Okay, so you see here, Coinbase is approved. It's tradable. Okay, so make sure you're purchasing tradable. Now, if you're going to any other application to purchase digital currency, that's on your own risk. For example, I did go on another application and purchase Binance Cash because it was not on Coinbase, and I haven't been able to recover my money. So that's why I always tell people that Binance Coin. I purchased Binance Coin on another application, and I haven't got my money. I haven't been able to log on to my site or anything like that, and they keep on sending me emails saying we're working on it. So that's why Coinbase is one of the best apps here, and approved by, you know, Papa Christos TV. So that's it for now. Check out my other websites. Show your support, and thanks for coming by. Stay tuned. We got more information coming out, more tutorial coming out, show you how to use the app.